Alright guys, so I already did the oil pan on this car, but I'm doing the spark plugs right now. We got this plastic, and then we have that right there that goes from side to side. So basically the way this goes is you have those plastics, one here, one here. You have this thing like that. Okay, on top of that you have that bar with these bolts. It has one bolt here, two bolts here, and then another bolt right over here. Okay, so you take the plastics off. The plastic has like three little bolts, those little plastic ones, 10 mil. Those are just half turn on both sides. You take those off. It's just a matter of lifting it up, and then after that you have, this is just little rubber that goes like that. Take that off, and then you have the four bolts for this guy here, which are this. Take those off, that comes out, and then you have this plastic piece. This one has fewer bolts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bolts, just about 7 bolts. You take that off, put that on the side, and then you can see all of your coils. The coils are this one. They'll go like this. I already put the spark plugs on, so they go like that. Okay, to remove them, you lift, you unplug it, and you just pull. Sometimes they're hard, and then what you do is, what I usually do, put a screwdriver in between and just jank on the screwdriver, and it will make it pop out. So that's that. So I already got the new spark plugs on, so I just gotta put these guys back on. Just whenever you're gonna put them back on, just remember to make sure that they click. Sometimes when you put it wrong, the plug doesn't sit all the way. So just make sure that they all sit all the way. Let's see here. And then you can't miss, the plug only goes one way. Alright, perfect. So that's how they go. So the spark plugs, this is what it used to be in there. B&W NGKs. So I just put new NGKs in there. So that's that. Now I just gotta assemble everything back together. And again, we're gonna start off with this guy here. Okay. This guy here, I'm gonna put all those bolts, then put that piece on with the 4 bolts. Then I'll clip this guy into his little edge here, and then the plastics, and that's for the spark plug for a tune-up. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, help me help you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.